Hello, welcome back to my channel. I thank everyone who are new to the channel and also those who are very supportive from the very beginning. I always and thankful to you for the support and also motivates me constantly for trying to be better and better. So on that note, I am starting my video today. In the last class, we were discussing about the different functions of management. And as we all know, the planning is the first and foremost functions of management. So we covered that. If you need to learn or need to understand that, you please do check my videos and other related videos for clarity and simply knowledge, right? Today, my topic is organizing. Organizing is the second key function of you can say management. Let me discuss about the definition or the concept. See, in case of definition, we have different kinds of definition which is available in the books, on the, you can say, the internet resources. But when we are talking about organizing, first, as I have mentioned, definition, that means you can say it is the second key management function, which is very much important. And obviously we all know that whenever you're talking about proper management, organization or organizing is an important pillar. So it is the second key management which actually coordinates different things like human efforts. It arranges resources, it incorporates these two things and make a path to achieve the target in a smooth way. That's why organizing is a very important part of good management, as well as to it makes easier to practice administration. So organizing is that means after the layout of target and objective, we have some sort of planning that how to achieve that, and as per planning we are actually arranging all our resources, we coordinate, we get together everything to have that planning works. So organizing is a support system to make the plan happen. Now, what are the importance of organizing? Like, we understand that organizing is important because I know that whenever you're talking about organizing, or when we heard the term organizing, first picture comes into our mind or pop up into our mind about our study table, our cupboard maybe, which is absolutely thousands times worn by our parents, especially mother, that do or organize your cupboard, organize your almirah, organize your study table. I know that. So we know that is important, but still we are avoiding it as much as possible. One fine day we feel that we need to make it clutter free, because my mind is also being cluttered by seeing all these unorganized things. Likewise, in the organization, if things are not in its right place, people are not having the proper assigned duties, so there are different kind of possibilities that we never can act according to the plan and also can never achieve the target. So for that we need proper organizing, right? Now the organizing gives us these benefits. You can have other benefits too. I am just jotting down the most significant one. First of all, the importance of benefits of organizing is benefits of specialization. That means, what is specialization means? That means an area where you have in-depth knowledge, more skill set than others. So whenever we know a field in a better way, we obviously can have better ideas, better execution, we know the loopholes and everything. So all this comes under the importance or benefits of organizing. So we can do better and we can we can have the you can say the fruits of specialization out of this good organization. So this is the first importance of organizing. Second one is clarity. My God, this clarity is needed everywhere. In your personal space also, in the professional field also, you need clarification. The more clarification you have, there are possibilities of having better working environment, better productivity, you can say better emotional stability, mental stability. So it helps in improving working relationship. As in the organization, we know that we all are working as a team. So between team members, we need understanding, coordination. So all these things comes out of clarity, and clarity comes from a good organizing, right? Now, so this is the second importance of organizing. Third one is, whenever we have clarity, we have specialization, so obviously we can utilize all our resources at an optimum level. That means there are resources, as without doing the exhaustion, we can use the resources for the benefits of the organization, as well as it ensures the growth of the employees too. So they will be more powerful, more empowered, more resourceful. So it comes from good organization. Now, when we are having the clarification, we can utilize the resources properly. So we will open and flexible to change, because change itself feels like a threat. We always actually consider change as a threat word. It will be a danger. So we need not to you can say always welcome the changes, because change something is terms as negative into our mind. But if we have proper organization, we have good amount of resources, and we know that everyone is in right position, so we will be open. We can have the flexibility, openness towards adopting the change. So things seems better, easier. So it is a very good thing. We can welcome new ideas. New innovations will be taken care of by having the adaptability towards change. It comes from organizing. And the last one, as we already understand, that whenever we are having the positive environment in the organization, the administration will be more effective. They can practice it with ease. There will be clarity, there will be good plan, and all can be very much easier to implement. So it ensures by the term organizing. So next time when your mom tells to organize your things, you can think about all the importance, because if it can change an organization, so it can change your life too. So on that note, I am just signing off. Let's meet in the next class for further clarifications. Thank you for watching.